Let's explore the Disneyland Hotel. Come on, everybody. The Disneyland Hotel originally opened on October 5th, 1955. The resort currently has over 900 rooms and is adding a new DVC tower. Mickey and Minnie are here to greet you before you even enter the lobby. Since the Disney Company is currently celebrating 100 years, there's a special display as you walk in the front door. The lobby itself is very welcoming and quite busy on this day. From the lobby, you can walk just to the left down a hallway past Small World Gifts and wander right out into the center of the courtyard. The main building of the resort is the Fantasy Tower. This has your check-in, front desks, Fantasia gift shop, and Small World gift shop. Exiting out of Fantasy Tower, you come to the courtyard. Off to the right is the Convention Center and the new DVC Tower. To the left is Adventure Tower, and straight ahead is Frontier Tower. The main pools are in the center of the courtyard and have two very unique slides. The slides are themed after the monorail, and just above them is the classic Disneyland welcome sign. Continuing clockwise to the left, you can see Mickey's Sorcerer's Hat. Turning right takes us to Adventure Tower. Adventure Tower is themed like Adventureland. The rooms in this resort are very nice, and we had a wonderful view of downtown Disney. There are details all over the room. These pillows were on the beds. The bathroom faucets had hidden Mickeys, as well as the lights were Mickey hands and had hidden Mickeys in the lampshades. The headboard itself was by far the best addition to the room. When you push a button on the nightstand, the lights come on and it plays "A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes." This is the early morning view looking towards Disney California Adventure and downtown Disney. Leaving Adventure Tower and heading toward the left again, you can still see the pools and some of the buildings that have some of the restaurants. Here we are heading towards Tangaroa Terrace for breakfast. After breakfast, we continued our exploration of the grounds. Between the Adventure Tower and Frontier Tower is the Rose Court Garden. This is a beautiful outdoor space for weddings or other special events. This water feature is just outside Frontier Tower. Frontier Tower has an amazing scale model of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. The details in this model are incredible. Now we'll head into the main pool areas. This is the monorail pool. This pool that we are approaching is called the D-Ticket pool. Here we transitioned to the e-ticket pool. For reference, we are currently looking at the Fantasy Tower, and off to the lower left is a hot tub. From this vantage point, we are looking back at Adventure Tower. Now we're walking through Adventure Tower and heading east toward downtown Disney. Once you go through the gate, you're just a few steps away from downtown Disney. Here is where you would go through security. Heading to downtown Disney from the Fantasy Tower, you just simply walk toward Mickey's Sorcerer's Hat. This is the view as we're heading back toward the resort. You can see the monorail in the distance. There's nothing like being welcomed back to your resort by Mickey's Sorcerer's Hat. Trader Sam's at night looks absolutely incredible. What a great place to relax and unwind after a long day at the park. The pools are stunningly beautiful as well.